Okay? Hello? Gonna help you? Daddy, Daddy. Matthias is doing the thing. You wanna help? Oh. Uy! Kuya, dali. Ang kuya. Very good. Very good si kuya. Very good among kuya. Let me see. Arrange na yung arrange. Arrange niya, arrange. Want to help Ezekiel? Closer. Closer here. Dito daw siya. Uy! Di mo punta alas. Hello. Careful lang po. Nag-intay mo yung dishwasher. Nakayutibahon si mother.
Oh, mommy,
That's why my shrink up is under. May kapinis na si kuya mo.
get out there. No, don't me. Ow!
Ano mo siguro nagsagit? Sige na nak.
That's what you want to there.
Yeah, this one nak is there. All the plastic and baby fork. Here, Ezekiel. That's baby fork. Put right here.
What's baby fork?
It's like for little
baby
kids.
fork. For
Yeah, sige na.
That's for me.
Not for you. There's more nak.
No.
Be careful. And mama help. Thank you guys for helping. Help give him a little nut.
Okay.
Sige na.
This is not a baby
Sige,
fork.
magpinis si mama sa
This is
dishwasher.
a baby fork.
Yep, just put in the baby fork. Tulog sila. Very sunny. Hey! Hey! Sili pa na. We are here, boys. Laag-laag ang mga bata. And no work si daddy. Excited now. Yay!
Yeah, and I was thinking it would be.
Yeah, because they open already 10. They're here in
Have a look.
Urban Air Adventure Park. Yay! Oh, excited! Excited na magara-gara. Kaya wala kalaag og Sabado Domingo. Since daddy, siya holiday. Holiday sa Monday. So, laag sa mga batuta. Urban Air Adventure Park. Saks. This building, even here, this building, there is Ezekiel. See, this is where the parents could just say they just buy. Ezekiel. Oh, look at him. Whoa, good job. Go, Ezekiel, go. Go, go, go. Hey! Ay! No diving. Yes, oh. Woohoo! Very busy. Nah. Ezekiel! Go up there, Matia. Go grab on Ezekiel. Una po sa dali, go! Go, jump! Woohoo! Oh, invite na si Matias. Ezekiel is building blocks. Ah! Just one fight. Come on, let's go to trampoline. Come on. Ezekiel. Oh, he's building. Let's go to trampoline, Ezekiel. Everywhere is building. Oh. Keep going. Whoop. Ready now. Let's see here. Full time. Playing the Jurassic Park. We need, but I think a car in lab. There's nothing oil, nothing. Go to mga players. So this is their food tour. Oh, they're very good. Hello. Shoot targets. Who is it? Oh. Oi. Good job. Shoot target. Shoot targets. Player na mo. Shoot the targets daw na. Over there. Over there. Up. 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 Good job, boys. Ah. Go, go, go. Shoot target. Good job. Ah. Good job si Matias, oy. Whoa, hold your fire. Whoop, target. Winner. Yun kailangan ko ano. Bye. Labo ko lang yung ay. Ezekiel, look. Chicken. Eat na Matias, eat. Hindi, karaghan tao. Cargo yun na, oh. Matias on the top. Player, oh. Pretty kayong langit, oh. So, down na daw sila
Wanna go the slow way
playing.
home?
Guys, what we say ka, Daddy?
Thank you.
No.
How about you, Ezekiel? Ezekiel's super tired. What you say ka, Daddy? Look at Labo. What you say ka, Daddy? Like this and Chow sleepy din ba?
He's sleeping. He doesn't have to say anything.
Yeah.
He just needs to get some rest.
Yep. Rest. Thank you, Daddy.
He had a full day.
Daddy, I don't
closet
know
on,
today.
Everything.
That Daddy have a holiday. So when I get down na, ang Daddy.
Why
It's just like they're waiting for me and already make breakfast. Surprise. Surprise to Daddy. Good surprise. Not to take care of breakfast for the kids.
Ghost surprise.
Go surprise. It scared me a little bit. I see like shadow. He's the one that So, happy Monday, everyone. Hope you have a great day sa mga holiday. Happy holidays. You shouldn't say happy holidays, huh?
No.
Holidays is like Christmas or anything.
Yeah, holiday, when you
Yeah.
say that,
Weekend ay.
kind of, yeah, it has that.
Holiday weekend, holiday weekend because of the President's Day. Today is President's Day. February 19 lab, no? Walay no work si Daddy. So, wala mi naglaag Sabado ug Domingo. So, Monday, Daddy takes us
So,
out. Bye guys, hope you have a great day. Toot! So, kay giganahan man si Banabels. Last time sa atong pansit canton. So, sauce. Pero karon manok. At masabi manok o hipon. Bukil-bukil. Ito na yan. Mga chili. Likit na. There's baby corn here, Ezekiel. Baby corn. Yeah, request me ni Daddy because last time he likes it. And we like it too. So I love to cook if everyone likes it. Cook. Okay. Luto na.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, may kita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.